everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my version for ackee and saltfish. Now ackee is the national fruit and food in Jamaica, so today I'm sharing with you all my version for this popular recipe. To start this, in a big skillet I'm adding some oil on medium heat. Once your oil is hot, go in with some chopped onions, chopped pimento peppers or hot peppers, minced garlic, some colored bell peppers chopped, and I'm going to season this with some fish seasoning. So sprinkle that on and then give this a mix. We're going to cook this until the vegetables are very tender. We just want to enhance the flavors of the vegetables, so hence the reason why we're sauteing it first. Once it's nice and tender, add in some chopped tomatoes and your boiled and flaked salted cod. Go ahead and give that a mix. I'm not adding any additional salt. We want this to cook here for about 5 minutes. After which, we'll go in with our ackee. Now I'm using fresh ackee, so I boiled it for about 2 minutes. If you're using canned ackee, you don't have to boil it. Go ahead and be gentle and toss. You don't want to be too rough because the ackee can break apart really quickly. So allow that to cook in there for about 2 to 3 minutes. Doesn't need a lot of cooking once you boil your ackee. And I'm finishing with some freshly chopped scallions, or as we say in Trinidad, scythe. And I'm just going to mix that in, and that's it. Your ackee is now ready to be served. You can serve this with fry bake, you can serve this with sada roti. I've never had it with rice. I'm not sure if they do that in Jamaica. So if you guys enjoyed this recipe, comment and let me know. If you try it, also let me know. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.